I'm on a site called designbundles.net, and there's a free section right up here. So I'm going to click on that free design section. Everything here is free to download. So in this video, I'm going to be covering 3 big picture strategies that you can use when you're using free designs, because you want to avoid a copyright strike on a Redbubble or a TeePublic. See, the thing is, if I just use these designs as is, and you use these designs as is, and we both upload them to Redbubble, one of us could get into trouble from a copyright perspective because the designs are the exact same. So let's go. So for the first example, I'm just going to use this bundle here. All you need for Christmas bundle, 12 designs. Let's jump in. I'm going to use this Peace on Earth one to start. Okay, so I've imported my image now into Photoshop. It doesn't matter what program you're using, could be Affinity Photo, whatever. So I've got my design here, Peace on Earth. Now, strategy number 1 is if you have text, add an image. So through the magic of video editing, I'm now on a website called SVG SILH. It stands for SVG Silhouette. I'm going to type into the little search window on the top right-hand side, Peace. And now I get back a bunch of silhouettes. These are all public domain. You can see under every single image, it says public domain. I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to download the PNG file, and I'm going to add that to my design. All right, we're back in Photoshop. I'm going to place my design now. And basically that's it for my design. I can now move this around. I can make it look the way I want. And there's a design that's completely unique now. I've combined the elements of 2 different websites, and now I've got an original design. For strategy number 2, I'm going to be using this free Scandinavian gnomes SVG file. It's clip art, 3 little gnomes. I'm going to download this. I'm back in Photoshop. I placed my image. So strategy number 2 now is if you have an image only, add text. Okay, so I've just added in a simple text design here at the bottom. There's no place like gnome. Hilarious. And now I've got myself a completely unique piece of art because I've created the text and the image combined, create a new piece of work. For the third strategy, I'm going to be using this one. It's You May Never Be Too Old to Search the Skies on Christmas Eve. It's got a silhouette design of Santa and his reindeer. And by the way, as we jump into this third strategy, I just want to point out I am going to put a link here to Design Bundles down below in the video description. It is an affiliate link, although to be clear, I'm not selling anything in this video, so these are all free designs. There's nothing for sale. But if you happen to go in, if you click the link and you do wind up buying something, I would receive a small commission. So strategy number 3, you'll notice we have a text design and a graphics design. So what do we do here? Well, this is a 2-part strategy. The first one is I'm going to remove the actual graphic and I'm going to replace it with my own graphic. So there we go. I just grabbed Santa off of that SVG SILH site, and I used a public domain picture of Santa. So the text design, if that's where you're struggling, keep the text, change the image. But if you really like the image, here's where you can do a 2-for-1. Just remove the text, and you can then add your own. Even if it's the same words, if you change the way it looks, that would be a unique design. So you could use the same design again and again and again, the same image I mean, and you can just add all sorts of different funny phrases in here, all sorts of Christmas phrases in here, all sorts of serious, religious phrases, Santa phrases, anything you like, because you own the image and now you can just make the text whatever you want, thus creating an original design. So I hope you found that helpful. As always, please do hit that like button. That really helps the video get out to more people. And here's another video on how you can make better graphic art in your print-on-demand journey. I wish you the best. Thank you for watching.